Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's an interesting video that I will share with you guys. It is they call it a Windows 12.2 concept. So basically it's a user that has kind of done some design of what you can imagine as being Windows 12. So this is from a user on YouTube called AR4789, and so he has a full video here that you'll be able to view, and he shows from the setup to a working Windows that could be and the design of Windows 12, an example of design. So this is kind of interesting. I will post a link to this video in the description below. You can, of course, go and check it out. Check the full video, which is 8 minutes. Interesting concept, mix of what Windows 11 looks like, but also with much more modern type of icons and floating windows and so on. So it's kind of cool. And honestly, it's really kind of cool to look at. And of course has different ways of customizing the Windows operating system. It could have themes to have it look like a Windows 7 or things like that. So really nice. Check it out and let me know what you think. Would you be interested in such a Windows operating system as this video is showing up? So link to this is in the description. So check that out, as it is going to be very interesting. As we're going into the future, looking at what it could all be like, wondering, how to design a Windows operating system and make it better, make it more interesting and appealing to people using Windows. Once again, a lot of people just want to have a working Windows. They don't care about the design of it. But still, it's kind of interesting thing to look at. So the video is in the description below. And if you have any comments on would you like such a experience in, say, the next version of Windows. But definitely some cool concepts and some nice designs there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.